What's happening, guys? Welcome back. How you doing? Yes, I know it's like a big gap between all these videos, but your boy's busy. But I got a cool little video today, something I've been really postponing for a long time doing, but it just dawned on me I want to get it done because I found some inspiration from a guy who owns an F30 like mine, and I heard his car and thought it sounded really good without sounding too crazy. And what he did was very similar while I was on the road on a work trip. In fact, I just got back. I've got the work car parked in the garage now. And baby girl's out there warming up. But what we're gonna go do, some exhaust work. Now, as you guys know, I've got the downpipe done already. And I'm not really gonna mess with the muffler too much. I kind of wanna keep the subtle tone, maybe pull out a little bit more, higher pitch, but nothing crazy. I think my old days of a loud car is kind of over. Obviously with the last car, the Mark 6, that thing was crazy loud before I put a muffler back on it, but that thing was straight piped and it was loud. Whereas this car, we're gonna keep it mild for the most part. Woo, it's getting windy out there. And what am I talking about? We are going to do Resonator delete. Got myself a stainless steel pipe here. It's about 3 inches, a little over 3 inches or so. And we're gonna go ahead to the local muffler shop, get this installed, and go from there. So look at that old thing. Time to replace that bad boy. Come on. There we go.
Yeah. You got a challenge.
It's the old one. There you can see the cones on the inside, filters. Filters are what they're called, but quiets the car up pretty well. Time to get the new one on. I don't know, I might work on the mufflers though. On the muffler, I should say. But we'll see. extra good. Have it, guys. Sorry for the wind. I think it's gonna rain here in a little bit, like really bad, but yeah, there you go. Got the Resonator installed. It sounds, the tone is the same. It's a little deeper, a little more aggressive, but nothing obnoxious, and I didn't want that like I had on my Mark 6, my GLI, and I wanted more of aggressive tone, but I didn't want anything too crazy. Hence why I'm probably not going to change up the muffler. I might do it, I don't know, I'm thinking about it still, but for right now it sounds really good. This is what I'd recommend for anybody, you know, whether you have a catted downpipe or a decatted downpipe like mine. Doing the Resonator delete, it just sounds perfect. The burbles are a little bit more pronounced, but not, again, not obnoxious. I do have a mild, like default boot mode burble setting on, which is not crazy aggressive, as you can see in the video. And I'm perfectly happy with it. If you're looking for like that kind of like inexpensive option without having to spend a crazy amount of money on an exhaust system, that win. Yeah, if you're looking for an inexpensive option that's not going to be too crazy, that's what I'd recommend is, you know, doing a Resonator delete, doing a downpipe. I think like a catback or an axleback exhaust ranges from like $500 to $700. You know, nothing too crazy. That's what I honestly would recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Baby girl and I are back. Stay tuned, because I got a suspension video coming up real soon. It's going to be my biggest project on the car that I've done. Obviously, I didn't do this one. I had it done at the machine shop, at the muffler shop, but I'm going to do the suspension myself. So stay tuned for that. As usual, guys, I appreciate you chiming in. I appreciate your comments. Only looking to get better. Let's keep doing the thing. Peace and love, guys. Subscribe, hit the bell icon. Tell me what you think. All right? Peace.